Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use app languages on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Let's go! Okay guys, so it's very easy. All you need to do is you go to settings, then you scroll all the way down here to general management, then you click app languages. Oh sorry, not this one, here, app languages, and as you can see here are shown the only apps that support language selection, which means other apps can change the language but other apps can't. You know what I mean? Some apps can and some can't, but here this one you can change the language however you want, because some apps will always have the language that you set as default system language, and you could change some things, so you know what I mean. But okay, let me show you how it works. For example, YouTube, let's pick Polish. Google Maps, let's pick, I don't know, this one, and let's pick France, and let's pick Google Meet and give Catala. I don't know what language is it, but okay, let me show you here Polish on YouTube. As you can see, there is Polish language here. Then okay, let's go to Google Meet. As you can see, it's not English or not Polish or not German. Okay, and let's go to Google Maps, which is the last one. Okay. As you can see, the language is also changed, but as you can see in Chrome we still have English as default language. Okay guys, thank you for watching, have a good day, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and goodbye.